The Lincoln Aviator boasts one of the nicest interiors you will find in a luxury SUV. From top-of-the-line materials to an intuitive and attractive layout, there is much to be desired when climbing into the cabin. Let's get comfortable. No matter which door you climb into, the first thing you notice is the ample head and legroom. For the front passengers, you get 40.3 inches of headroom and 43 inches of legroom. The middle row passengers enjoy 39.7 inches of headroom and 39 inches of legroom. The third row lacks a bit in headroom due in part to the beautiful tapered roofline at 36.9 inches of headroom and a max 29.2 inches of legroom. Other traits like hip room stack up like this: 58.5 inches of front hip room, 58.3 inches of second row hip room, and 40.9 inches of third row hip room. The style and materials used in the Aviator are top-notch. Soft leather touch points adorn the cabin, and fine-stitch rich leathers offer supple and comfortable seating. Open-pore woods including Santos rosewood and espresso ash swirl, and aluminum appliques all offer a stylish contrast. The leather color options you can choose from include a tried-and-true black ebony, ebony rose which adds a hue of deep brown, slate which is a light gray, and sandstone for that classic beige look, just like in this vehicle. The Revell audio system has 28 speakers placed strategically throughout the cabin for optimum sound quality. The front seats and middle seats are perforated and feature both heating and cooling features with the Elements Package Plus. And the front seats are available with 30-way perfect position seats which offer up to 30 ways to customize the position to your comfort level. You can adjust them using the on-door controls. You have the top for your headrest, then your upper back, your recline, then this adjusts the forward back raise and lower. Then you have your leg extensions, and in the sync menu, 5 bolster settings to hug you in tight or allow you more room to move. That's not all, as these seats also offer active massage, which you can customize from lower rolling, upper rolling, circular cushion, full recovery, and relaxed recovery modes. You can also change the setting from high, medium, and low, and the passenger has all of these functions as well. Once you turn off the massage function, your memory seats return to your last adjustments. Below the floating sync screen, you have buttons to access your front view 360-degree camera, parking navigation, and active park assist, and your driver aids with traction control and auto hold on-off switches. Below that is your audio controls. You can lock the rear functionality, your source, seek, and tune. Next is your intuitive climate controls with temp adjust, your heated steering wheel on-off button, auto climate control, your heated and cooled 3-stage seats for both driver and passenger, and a menu button to bring up more options on the Sync 3 screen. Continuing through the center console, you find your cup holders and a storage area perfect for your phone that includes USB and USB-C ports. Your electronic parking brake and your drive mode selector are located here as well. Lastly, you have a massive storage area under the armrest which also houses the wireless charging pad for your phone. It will also secure it in tight so it will not move while in motion. The panoramic vista roof comes with an easy-to-use electronic shade control overhead and opens up to let the light shine in throughout the cabin. Moving to the rear, the middle row has a slide function to offer the third row more legroom or to maximize the legroom for the middle row passengers. This model is also equipped with a rear function screen, which features seat controls for heating and cooling, rear climate controls, audio controls, and display controls with a calming screen. Below you have USB ports as well as a 110-volt outlet. The optional center console is also outfitted on this model and has cup holders, a storage cubby, your panoramic roof shade controls, and a large center storage console. There are pull-down shades on either door for more passenger comfort. Let's take a quick first-hand drive to experience the Aviator from behind the wheel. When you are ready to get behind the wheel and experience the Aviator for yourself, make sure that Richmond Ford Lincoln is your go-to. We are driven by you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.